Today I'm going to show you how to create this half nail lace design using the new Uberchic Love and Marriage 4 plate. For my base I'm using Essie-Play Date, which is the most luscious mauve shade. I've also applied Topcoat and left to dry fully. Now I'm applying some sticky tape to the end of my nail to mask out the area I want to leave unstamped. I'm using Essie-No Place Like Chrome and the brand new Uberchic Love and Marriage 4 plate. I'm stamping this pretty lace image to each nail and then removing the tape. I'm covering the edge with silver striping tape and then cutting off the ends with my cuticle nippers. Now I'm using Seche Vite quick drying top coat to seal in my design. Make sure you seal the edges so the striping tape doesn't lift. You may need to apply a second layer of top coat just to make sure. Here's the finished design. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed my tutorial. Thanks for watching.